Hey Bricksters and Lego friends, we are here today to talk about a dog. Well, not particularly this dog, but we're going to talk about this dog. This is the Lego Polybag of the Pug. And we were able to get this at Walmart, and it was like $4.86. And it's really cool. So let's look at the detail that comes with it first, which is the little added fire hydrant for him to go do his pee on. And it's built up on a brick, and it's kind of like one of those type of bricks here. 90-degree angle 2x2 with one of these 90-degree plates on it, and then you're able to put the 2x1 brick on it and a tile grill piece on it, so it looks like the sewer drain type of thing. And you build the fire hydrant and stick it on top. And of course these ones out the side are just using the Technic pins out the side of this round 2x2. So it starts off with a round 2x2, a round 2x2 with the two holes in it for the Technic pins, and a round 2x2 that's coned upwards and has the stud on the top, so we can have all three parts of the fire hydrant put on it as well. Now this is a red fire hydrant, so usually you only see orange fire hydrants or yellow fire hydrants. Now they have painted ones, there's some yellow ones, and they even put dog faces and everything on these things now, so it's really cool. So here he comes along, and he's got his leg up and he's doing his business right there on the fire hydrant. And not all dogs do that, of course, but this one is a really articulated, cute little guy. He likes to move his head around, and it's really cool. So basically, the front legs are not articulated, they are on there permanently. The back legs are, so he can stand up, he can do tricks, he can do all kinds of things like that. So it's a cool little build. There's really not that much to it. It's just like a dog build, and it has a little, like a tooth brick on the back for his tail, because pugs have that little curly tail. And they also have a little curly tongue, so they got one of these there. I don't know why they didn't put one of them on the back in beige. Maybe they didn't have that color molded when they designed it or whatever. But it does resemble a pug. I've had several friends that have pugs, and you know, these guys like to snort a lot, make weird noises, and lick their nose. And this really resembles a pug. Yeah, so we'll just bring him a little bit closer to the camera now, and you can see the detail in his face. I think it's really cool. Yeah, I think he's a really cool little pug. Dogs are dogs. What can we say, right? Pugly? Anyway, that's it. There's not much more to say about this polybag, is that it's a pug, and Lego has gone to the dogs, and so have I. I'll talk to you guys again soon. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.